How to embed YouTube video in Notion. Here are a few easy ways to embed a YouTube video in Notion. 1. Copy the YouTube video URL, e.g. https://www.youtube.com/watch?b=dqw4w9wgxcq. 2. In Notion, click on the location where you want to embed the video. 3. Open the menu and select the embed option. It looks like a sideways triangle inside a rectangle. 4. Paste the YouTube URL into the input field and press enter. 5. The video will now be embedded and playable directly within the Notion page. 6. You can also click on the next to the video to adjust sizing options like widescreen or 4:3 ratio. 7. For more customization, wrap the video in an embed block instead of using the inline embed option. This will let you adjust width, height, position, etc. 8. Make sure to check the show controls option so the video can be played, paused, etc. 9. You can embed videos from other sources like Vimeo or Google Drive in a similar way by copying the shareable link. 10. When sharing your Notion page publicly, keep in mind embedded YouTube videos may not work for viewers without access. That's it. Embedding videos in Notion is super easy and a great way to add multimedia content to your pages and documents.